The next part of the chapter is on adding time. So for 14 we have a start time of 2:15 p.m. and an infusion time of 3 hours and 20 minutes. And they want to know the completion time. So if the IV machine is running for 3 hours and 20 minutes and it started at 2:15 p.m., what time is it going to finish? And if they give the start time using the 12-hour clock format, then they want you to express the answer using the 12-hour clock format. And if they were to give you the start time using military time, they would want you to give the answer using military time. So I need to add my times here. And you'll see that I have a hours column and minutes column. So if I add my minutes, it's going to be 35, and if I add my hours, it's going to be 5. So it's 5:35. Now this will be PM because I'm starting at 2:15 p.m. and if we go 3 hours, we're still in the PM. We haven't gone long enough to be in the AM. So 5:35 p.m.